Here's how to use your emergency water kit by Wazoo like a pro. The ability to gather, filter, and purify 2 liters of water in an emergency is very important. If you've got one of these, then you believe in being prepared. So let's take a look inside the kit. First, you got 3 Ranger bands and 2 water purification tablets in a 1 liter bag that's rated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And inside the bag, you got a water filter, and you've also got this industrial strength aluminum foil. But just having the kit's not enough. Let's show you how to use it. First, you want to take the top of the bag and you're going to want to roll it over about 1 inch. Now you want to take your filter and you want to fold the top over so that it's even at the top. Now insert the filter into the top of the bag and fold the edges over the sides. If you don't feel like you can hold the filter while you get the water in the bag, you can always put a piece of tape across it. You can even fashion a little scoop with the aluminum foil provided in the kit for when you're dealing with shallow water sources. Now we're filtering water. Now when you're done filtering your water, don't throw it away, throw it into your aluminum foil off to the side. Now take one of your purification tablets, set the other one to the side, and you're going to want to dump this one into the bag. Now twist up the bag, fold it over. Now install your Ranger band to keep the water in the bag. Now you're going to want to wait for 10 minutes to allow the tablet to dissolve. Now we want to shake it up and we want to wait for another 30 minutes. If you're dealing with a questionable water source, it's better to wait even longer. Now while you're waiting for your water to purify, you can take care of the other stuff and put it away so it stays safe. And after you've waited for 30 minutes, now you got clean drinking water. Now let's say that you've used your second tablet. What do? Did you know you can boil water in the bag? Now before you get started, make sure you get all your fire supplies together. Now you're going to want to get a stick and you're going to want to split it. Get your bag and roll the top down over itself again about 1 inch. Now take one of the sticks and slide it underneath the one side under the fold. Take the other stick and put it underneath the other side. Now you're going to want to get another stick and you're going to want to split the end. And I went ahead and whipped some cordage just to make sure that the split would stop. Now we have a device that will hold our bag for us when we boil it over the fire. You don't have to do this step, but it sure helps out a lot. Get a stick and drive it into the ground. Now go ahead and split the stick in half. Now you've got something to help you hold the bag while you're attempting to boil the water. Now go ahead and slide your bag filled with water into the split and put your Ranger band on the end. Now you can hold your water bag. Now start your fire. If you're having trouble with the wind, you can also use your industrial aluminum foil to act as a wind deflector. Do not allow the bag to come in direct contact with the flames. Make sure to keep it safely off to the side. For an added layer of protection, you could even put the aluminum foil over the coals and suspend the bag over that. If you're feeling really confident, you could also rig up the aluminum foil to act as a reflector to keep the heat inside the bag. And that's how you boil water in a bag. Now you just set it back in your holder and wait for it to cool and you've got water to drink. That's how you use the Wazoo water kit like a pro.